Music. Want better credit? Welcome to my Better Credit review. Interested? Check the description for product links. Let's explore its features, target audience, and benefits. Better Credit helps those wanting a streamlined way to improve their credit scores. Facing inaccuracies, financial setbacks, or aiming for a home or loan. Better Credit offers a comprehensive solution. Its user-friendly platform lets you monitor progress and stay informed. After sign-up, you get a detailed credit analysis identifying errors and outdated negatives. They handle disputes directly with bureaus and creditors, ensuring Fair Credit Reporting Act compliance. Better Credit also shines with its educational resources. Learn actionable credit-building strategies for lasting results. From managing debt to understanding score calculations, they equip you for long-term success. Dedicated customer support is another key feature, providing personalized guidance throughout your journey. This makes Better Credit ideal for first-time users or those wanting a hands-on approach. Want to remove inaccuracies, boost your score for a financial goal, or take control of your credit? Better Credit is a reliable, transparent solution. Ready to learn more? Check the links below and get started today.